he would have to testify in order for him to be humanized somewhat, right? This is already an overwhelmingly difficult defense anyway, right? It's the only defense you can have. The only shot that he has, not even at an acquittal. I don't even think an acquittal is even in the realm of reality. I think the only chance he has at maybe reducing it to maybe some sort of a manslaughter, right? The only shot he has is to somewhat humanize himself in front of the jury, right? He was a kid when this stuff happened. He had a tumultuous relationship. This does not excuse in the mind of the jury, I don't think, what he did, right, if they reach that conclusion. But they're definitely going to reach the conclusion that there was some intent behind his actions, and this was not self-defense. You'd have to humanize him. I like what Paulette said. I didn't even think about it, where he doesn't even have an anchor to talk sense into him. I didn't think about it, right? I was a public defender. I defended my fair share of people that you cannot talk reason into them, right? It was easy when you're defending somebody with a misdemeanor. It's difficult when you're defending somebody on national television for murder. So he's going to have to testify, Julia. I'm sure his attorneys are going to tell him to do it and just kind of throw caution to the wind and hope for the best.
So here's a reason that it may be difficult for him, especially when his attorneys are worried about what he may say. And Bernardo, I want to ask you about this. We're going to play this clip from today. It was a big moment when the detective, Danny Peters, took the stand and read these text messages between Colin and his mother, and where his mother is threatening to expose him for how he killed his father. At this point, he's off on self-defense. The charges are dropped, but she says she has proof now. And remember, the unique thing about this case is because of emotion, the jury knows that he killed someone previously, but they don't know who that person is.